गोवा विरुद्ध CRZ 2018 संघटनेन 2018चे CRZ नोटिफिकेशन रद्द करपाची मागणी केल्या। हातूंतल्या कांय प्रस्तावांक फाटीं घेवपाचेरूय समिती उलयला। पणजेच्या नाडेक्स गोवा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस।
This 2018 draft notification is a complete disaster. We do not know who are the officials who have drafted this, whether they have got any sense in their heads, and what are the reasons for this. We need to know why this notification was issued. We are going to question why it was issued and for what purpose. There is already a record that the courts are not going to tolerate this type of nonsense. We feel that the real estate lobby is behind this. This real estate lobby wants to now put up more buildings in ecologically sensitive areas. Goa is a very small state, and they try to encroach on forest areas, and now they are trying to encroach on CRZ areas. So
our demands, hence GACRZ 2018 demands the government the following: scrap the draft CRZ notification 2018 in toto. The limit of 200 meters and 100 meters NEZ and 500 meters CRZ to stay, and object proposal to reduce it to 50 meters and 30 meters should be withdrawn. The CRZ 11 notification should be converted into a comprehensive CRZ Act in consultation with the small and traditional communities of Goa. Withdraw all three amendments to CRZ notification 2011 done to SOP 139E dated 2nd of July 2018. Complete the Coastal Zone Management Plan CZMP's plan as per NGT order and implement CRZ notification 2011 in toto.
Today, we are witnessing that for the first time, NGOs or social activists of the state are sharing a common platform with politicians of two major political parties in Goa for a common purpose to salvage whatever remains of our coastline and whatever remains of our hinterland. We hope that together all of us, not as politicians, not as social activists, not as any other identity card holders, but as Goans, would be able to contribute something positive to salvage our state from this new crisis, which is completely artificial and completely motivated by self-interest. Thank you.
जेन्ना लागू करच्या पयलीं हे सगळ्या स्टेक होल्डरांक कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवचे, आख्खे गोंयचे जनतेक, तशेंच पंचायत लेवल, जिल्हा परिषद, म्युनिसिपालिटी आनी असेंब्ली लेवल हांकां सगळ्यांक कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवनूच फुडें सरचो असो गोवा प्रदेश काँग्रेस कमिटीन डिमांड केलेलो आसा.
सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंटाकडसून पंचायत डायरेक्टराक एक सर्क्युलर आयलो की ऑन CRZ नोटिफिकेशन 2018 प्लीज डिस्कस दिस इश्यू एस्पेशली विथ कोस्टल बेल्ट पंचायत एंड म्युनिसिपालिटीज. हो पंचायत डायरेक्टरान सर्क्युलर लिपोवन दवरलो. फक्त बॅगां घेवपाचें काम हे सरकार करता आनी कोणाचें बरें करपा खातीर हे सरकार वावरना. आमी परतून एक फावट हे CRZ 2018 फुडें धुकलपाचो यत्न करता म्हणून गोंय सरकाराचो निशेध करता. एक भुरग्या